Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and healthy in your homes with the grace of Almighty Allah. So in the last session, we had learnt about successor and predecessor and also skip counting. Today in this session, we are going to learn comparison of 4-digit numbers. Let's see. Here you can see two dresses on the screen and its cost along with it. So what do you think? Which dress is costlier? Which is the bigger number between 800 and 950? So before going to know which is costlier, let's understand the concept of greater and lesser. In mathematics, to describe which number is bigger, which is smaller, we use some symbols. What are those symbols? They are greater than, less than symbol and equals to symbol. For example, if a number is bigger than the other number, we use greater than symbol. And if it is less than the other number, we use less than symbol. And if the number is equal, both the numbers are equal, then we use equals to symbol. Let's take an example of 7 and 5. You know that 7 is greater than 5. To show it mathematically, we use greater than symbol. We use greater than symbol and 5. It should be read as 7 is greater than 5. Like that. Same like that, if you take an example of 4 and 9. If we want to show 4 is less than 9. So we represented it mathematically. We read it as 4 is less than 9. It also represents that 9 is greater than 4. Now tell me, in 15 and 8, which one is the biggest number? Yes, obviously the number having more digits is greater. 15 is greater than 8. Now, how will you compare two digits if they have the same number of digits? For example, 452 and 548. In these two numbers, you can see the number of digits are equal. Now you have to tell me which number is greater. First of all, write two numbers in place value chart. As you can see, I have written 4, 5, 2, 548. Now compare both the numbers. In hundreds place, the number is 4. In the same hundreds place, the number is 5. So 400, 500. In these two, which one is bigger? Yes, 548 is the bigger number. We write it as 4 is less than 5. 452 is less than 548. In the same way, if you have to know which dress is costlier, write the place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. 8, 0, 0, 9, 5 0. Now compare. Let's start from left side, from hundreds place. There you can see the digit is 8 and the digit is 9. In these two digits 8 and 9, what you will think, which is the bigger? Yes, obviously 9 is the biggest number comparing to 8. With this, we conclude that 800 is less than 950, or you can write 950 is greater than 800. Let's see some more examples. Here the number 684, 695. We have written place value chart for these two numbers and now compare. 6, 6. So the numbers in hundreds place, they both are equal. We use is equals to symbol to show. And in tens place, 8 and 9. So which number is bigger? Yes, 9 is bigger. In ones place also, 4 and 5. In these both, which is the bigger? Yes, 5 is the bigger number. 8 is less than 9. Now, by comparing, we came to know that 684 is less than 695. Let's see one more example. 749, 748. So in these two numbers, in hundreds place, 7, 7. So both are equal. 7 is equals to 7. In tens place also you can see the digits are 4 and 4. So they both are equal. But in ones place it is different. 9 and 8. In these two digits, 8 is less than 9 we can say, or we can write 9 is greater than 8. Okay, so by looking at this, you can conclude that 749 is the biggest number. So we write it as 749 is greater than 748. One number is different. One number different in both the numbers. One digit difference, we can say. 749 is greater than 748. In the same way, let's compare 4-digit numbers. Let's start from left. You can see 9,846, 9,852. We have written place value chart for these two numbers. You can see in thousands place, the number is 9 and 9. They both are equal. 9 is equals to 9. In hundreds place also you can see 8 and 8. Both the digits are equal. And in tens place you can see 4 and 5. Between these two digits, which is the biggest digit? Yes, 5 is the biggest one. By this we can conclude that 9,852 is greater number. So we write it as 9,846 is less than 9,852. So it means that 9,852 is the greater number. Okay students, so this is about the comparison of 4-digit numbers and also 3-digit numbers. In the next session, we will learn ascending and descending order.